Alright, so here's my tank. It's been about, I don't know, about a week now. And there are some diatoms in there. See if you can see that. A bunch of those dots in there. I am getting this red, it looks like cyanobacteria. And I don't think I'm supposed to be having it right now at this point. But let me see if I can get a better focus on it. Yeah. It's just on this rock, a little bit up here, some more there, some spotting all around. That's pretty much it. One thing that I think I was doing wrong was I had this light on full blast for like 10 hours. So I cut the lighting down to like 4. I just have it on right now just for the video. And so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try cutting down the lighting for 4 hours and see if any of this subsides. I still expect the diatoms, but not so much the cyano. So we'll see how that works out. One other thing down here. Let's see. None of that is down here at all. So, not sure why I'm getting so much on top, but not right here. I do have these carbon baggies in there in the bubble trap, and they're pretty bunched up in there, and so all the flow is going through it, and that's pretty much it as far as filtration goes. Oh, and I added this fan in here, and now my temps are down to like that much, which is awesome. So that one fan down there really helped a lot. Although I am having to fill up or top off the water more frequent. But that's it. If you guys have any suggestions or comments, don't hesitate. All right, later.